Good morning to everybody that follows us in this message for the day. Today is February 27. Yesterday, February 26, I couldn't make the message. I am in the middle of a retreat here in the Ashram for Unfoldment in Asturias, Spain. And so today I am going to do a blend for 26 and 27. Next year we will make 2 different days of this day. But we will dedicate this day to signs on a road without a road. The road of the spiritual path is a road without a road, but it has signs that can guide you. From silence to silence, eternal silence, path, walker, and end of the path merge into unity, giving way to experience. When you say, I come from God and return to God, you are measuring it with the units of your own mind, which can only think in the units of time and space. Beyond time and space, you neither come nor go. You are there. You are here. The signs are there, but you don't need to see them or know them. You are still on the road. A road without a road. It's just a matter of washing away all the dirt that has gathered around you. It's like taking a bath. Once you have washed off the dirt, you're clean, pure and naked, like an innocent child. No whining and no whims. The main purpose of the spiritual path and the main teaching of the path of unfoldment is this process of clarifying or purifying the mind, which comes together with a process by which you are opening the heart and connecting to your inner source. As you go through life, obstacles will cross your path, but don't be faint-hearted. You have the greatest force with you. The force of the divine is with you and resides in you, and the divine acts. He does not come with a hammer or a rope to bind and pull you. He has his ways of showing you the way. So if you confront the circumstances of the day you have to live with this perspective and with this attitude, you will be able to flow, make the best of your day, and that's the best thing you can do for your life. Many times you will find that you have a problem and all of a sudden you go and pick up a book, open it to a page, read a passage, and it totally changed your attitude. So also operates that force of the divine that resides within you. And with that attitude, things will happen. Things will happen by themselves. So this is the message I have for you today. And the practice for today, it's going to be a simple practice. So today, just for today, be kind with yourself and with everybody you meet. Show kindness. And in that kindness, you will for sure find that the day is kind towards you and will show you the way. So thank you very much for listening. And remember, it's only one day, it's only one practice. Tomorrow will be another day, and tomorrow will be another practice. Namaste.